Fluent English isn't just for toppers or native speakers. It's for anyone who dares to learn and grow. In this story, you'll discover vocabulary that inspires, challenges, and elevates your English. Let the journey begin.
The story of a curious traveler. Maya was an adventurous young woman who loved to explore unfamiliar places. One day, she decided to visit a quaint village nestled in the hills. The village was known for its picturesque views and hospitable locals. As she walked through the cobblestone streets, she stumbled upon an old man selling handmade trinkets. Curious, she approached his stall. The man greeted her with a warm smile and began telling her the legend of a hidden waterfall nearby. Intrigued, Maya followed his directions and hiked through a narrow forest trail. Though the path was rugged, she remained determined. Eventually, she reached the waterfall. The sight was breathtaking. She sat on a rock, feeling a deep sense of serenity. On her way back, she thanked the old man for his help. He nodded and said, "Sometimes, a little curiosity leads to the most rewarding adventures."
These 10 smart vocabulary words from the story will help make your English sound more natural and confident. Let's discuss one by one. Adventurous. An adventurous person doesn't stick to their comfort zone. They're open to travel, new food, different cultures, and unusual ideas. Example: Ravi is so adventurous, he went bungee jumping in Rishikesh and tried snail soup in Vietnam. Quaint. Something quaint has an old world charm. It's not modern, but that's what makes it beautiful. Example: the tea shop in Shimla had a quaint wooden design that felt like stepping into the past. Picturesque. This word is used to describe something so beautiful, you feel like taking a photo or turning it into a painting. Example: the sunrise over Dal Lake was absolutely picturesque. Hospitable. A hospitable person makes you feel at home. They offer food, comfort, and warmth, especially important in Indian culture. Example: even though they just met us, the villagers were extremely hospitable and offered us tea and snacks. Trinkets. These are cute little objects you often find at souvenir shops, like keychains, bangles, fridge magnets. Example: Priya bought a few trinkets from the Goa flea market to gift her friends. Legend. Legends are passed down through generations. They're not always 100% true, but they're powerful and meaningful. Example: there's a legend that the temple was built overnight by divine forces. Rugged. Rugged describes a place that's tough and wild, like mountains, forests, or rocky paths. Example: the bike ride through the rugged terrain of Spiti Valley was thrilling. Determined. A determined person doesn't give up easily, no matter how hard the task is. Example: despite failing twice, Anjali was determined to clear the UPSC exam. Breathtaking. It is something so stunning that it makes you pause. You feel as though your breath was taken away, literally or emotionally. Example: the view of the snow-covered Himalayas was absolutely breathtaking. Rewarding. When your efforts bring joy, learning, or success, it feels rewarding. Example: volunteering at the school was tiring but incredibly rewarding. Now it's your turn. Pick any 2 or 3 words from today's list and use them in your own sentences. Drop them in the comments. I'll be reading and replying. Let's see how creatively you can use your new vocabulary. I'll return with more interesting vocabulary next week to make your English smarter and stronger. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining with your words.